Hey everybody, this is Holly from Holly Rocks. I'm at my mom's place in Fordland, Missouri. It's Promised Land B&B. So let me back up and see if y'all can see this behind me. So that's the main cabin right there behind me. And then this is our garden. Let's see if I can get this. Ah! God, I'm so glad I didn't break my phone. Stupid stick. Let me get this situated. Let me get this situated. Okay. I am going to flip this around instead of trying to film it in selfie mode.
I'm feeling super tired. Super what? Tired. Can you please not do the thing where I can't understand your words because you're slurring them for whatever reason? What? Sometimes you do this thing where you draw out your word and it just sounds kind of, gross. It's gross. It's flat out gross. Gross. That's insulting to me. Yeah, that's the point. I'm trying to insult you, so you shut up. That was a little harsh, sorry. So you shut up.
Sorry, I'm just so stressed out because, Linda, I feel like you enjoy hurting me. I told you the walls needed to be French gray. I told you that. It's all just so stressful because we only have a budget of 2.6.
It would be nice to come back to a clean house. So clean it. I didn't do it. So how about you clean it? No. Yeah, because you're dirty.
To start my base, I'm going to take this brush. I bristled it myself, and I'm going to pretend to apply makeup with it. This gives your pores a visual warning of what's to come. And yep, it's...
Hey, Rox here. Thanks for watching my channel, liking, subscribing. This next video should make you laugh. I hope you like it. If you don't, you're dead to me.
Anybody? 55, 55, 55, anybody? 55, 55, yeah. I'll sell this boy too. 50, 55, 55. Anybody want to give 55 for this high? 55, 55, 55 right there. 60, I'll give 60, 65, 65, 65, 70, 75, 75, one time. I know you can do it. 75, one time. Good fundraiser. Come on, while you get your head back. There it goes, 75. All right, 75, 75. Anybody give 80? 80, 75. Soldier, Wayne Plumbing. $75.
People's as accepted. Yay.